Hi friends, in this session I am going to explain about how to do the transformations in SSAS Tabular Model project. This is one of important concept in SSAS Tabular Model project development. So if you are watching first time my video, please subscribe and like my channel and also share with your friends. Why? Because in this channel I am providing complete training of SSAS from beginning level to advanced level and also interview questions, real-time project explanation with scenario based and much more updated in this channel. So if you follow my classes from class 1, definitely you will get the job and also easily survive in the real-time environment. So in this video we are going to learn about whatever the important concepts, whatever the important things we are going to use in real-time project development. So those transformations we are keep here. Okay, so one by one we are going to explain. Okay, so first of all let me open Visual Studio 2019. So Tabular project 3. So if you don't know, if you are watching first time, please check previous videos also. So how to create the project. First of all we have to create the project, then we have to load the data into the cube. Preparing solution. So here we can able to see project. Okay, so this model.beam is nothing but this is a cube. Okay, see here we can able to import the data. First of all you have to take data, right? So just click it. So I want to take data from the CSV files. Just select it, select population country, just connect and just click OK. See here also Power Query editor is there. So same like in Power BI how we have the Power Query editor, same thing exactly look like everything is same. Okay, so okay, fine. So for example see here, so I want to make this row as header, supposed to be this row as header, right? So this row as header. So what we can do, there is a transform option here, table we can use first row as headers. See this, change type and again do that the same step, and another option headers as first row also, that is also possible, that is exactly opposite. Now see, so now headers are properly aligned. Okay, so fine. So first step, what is the first step? This one is completed. So use first row as headers. Okay, changing data types. Okay, let me highlight this. So we'll complete this now. So this is a data type. Okay, fine. Here it is a data type. So whatever the data types here, you just take a look. So if you click here, you can able to find it's a decimal data type currently. So you want to change currency, you can change. So these are the data: currency, whole number, percentage, date or time, date, only time, date, time zone, duration, text, true, false, binary, use locally. These are the data types. And also you can find right click, by using right click and we can able to see here change type. Here we can able to see, here also we can able to change. So anything that would be fine. So you want to change the data type. So now it is in decimal. You want to change as text, that is also fine. So just replacement, yes. See now it is converted as ABC. Right click, change, see the, so which data type it is there? Text data type, right? So obviously it is detected correct only, so make it decimal only. Yes. So whatever we have done changes, all changes we can able to see here. Applied steps, under applied steps you can able to see. So this is the case, changing the data types. And rename columns. So you want to rename the column. So for example this is a location, this is not location, right? This is a country actually. So here double click also will work, and right click and there is a rename also is there, that is also fine. Okay, so also may be available here also, you can able to check what is the things. Here you can able to see format is there, any column, rename is there, detect data type, replace values, fill, So everything pivot, unpivot, everything is there. Okay, so in that under the transform. Okay, so now I want to rename as country. Yes, it's done. I renamed the country. And what else? Yeah, delete columns. Okay, just highlight this. So for example, you want to delete one column, just select that column and you can take off. That is also possible. Or you want to delete multi-select, select and right click and remove columns. This is also possible. And one more case, so remove other columns. That means it will keep whatever selected and remaining columns will go off. Just remove other columns, yeah, it will take off. So if you want to go previous step, you can go back, right? Now you can able to see all this. If you don't want, you can take off. And remove null values, remove duplicates. So for this we'll load another one. So there are three options here, right? Close and apply. Close and apply means always it will take changes and it will close the current window. And close and apply without processing. So it won't apply the changes. Close means directly it will close without any changes. So always you have to click on close and apply. Yeah, it's processing. Yeah, it's success, right? Now you can close. Now you can able to see here in the table. Okay, so now load another table. So yeah, CSV. So load this one. In this file we have NA values, blank values under. Here we can able to see, right, NA values. Okay, and here data types also not correct, right? So you want to change the data type, you can just select, right click, change type, decimal. See, at a time you can able to change. You can just select the columns and you can change at a time. So here NA values are there, just take off. You can search here, just click OK. Now see, it will take off. So filtered rows, right? So in the same way, blank NA values anywhere, so you can take off. So anything blanks are there in this file? No, blanks are not there. Okay, so now what is the another step? Remove duplicates. Okay, remove duplicates means, okay, come here. So you want to remove duplicates in a particular column or particular rows or something. What you can do is right click, there is an option called remove errors is there, remove duplicates is there, just click it. Now see, you can able to see only one time Argentina, Bolivia. So this, now you can able to see only unique records. If you want to go back, go back. And what is the another step? Remove rows and remove errors. Okay, just select it, right click, and there is a remove errors is there. If anything errors, it is going to remove. See, remove errors, already it is removed. And remove rows, how to remove the rows? So you want to remove errors, remove duplicates. Okay, and duplicate column also is there. Okay, so here in the transform, maybe in row, right? Okay, keep top rows. That means, so two methods, right? In Power BI also same thing, in SSAS Tabular also same thing. Either you can keep some range of rows. For example, keep top rows. I want to keep only top 10. or top 20 or top 100. Now see, kept first rows, first 100 rows we can able to see. Okay, and rows here keep bottom rows. In the bottom means from bottom to top. So put it 100. Kept last rows, right? And you want to go for a specific range. From this range to this range I want 50 to 75. Remaining things I don't want. So these all are filtering rows, right? All are the steps. You don't want, you can take off the steps. And here keep errors are there. So if anything errors, it will keep duplicates, and remove top rows and remove. See, this is keep and this is remove. So you want to remove top 10 rows, top 100 rows. It will going to remove top first from beginning to 100 rows. It will take off. Okay, and remove alter rows. Same thing. Remove duplicates. Any removes or duplicates, it will take off. See this, remove duplicates, and remove blanks. Any blanks are there in the rows, that will take off. And anything, remove errors. Anything errors is going to take off. Okay, and so keep rows. Okay, keep rows also same thing. I just now showed you, right? Unpivot. So unpivot, what is unpivot? Columns to rows. So for example, now we can able to see population male, population female, population total. So this thing I want to make, now it is columns. You want to make it is what we can say, rows. See this. Now we can able to convert as rows, unpivot columns. So this attribute and value, it is going to change as attribute and value, population male, population female, total. So 3 rows, every 3 rows you can have, because 3 columns we selected, 3 rows. If you select 2 columns, 2 rows it will be there. So if you want to go back, you can do that. And replace values. Replace also very easy. So for example, you want to replace something. Maybe I want to replace, right click and I want to replace. So instead of Argentina, make it India. Click OK. So wherever Argentina, it is replaced with IND, right? Split column, already we know what is split column. What is split column? So I want to split the column. There are lot of options are there, right? Right click. Maybe I think we can able to see any split option is there. Yeah, it is new version. So we have to check. So based on the version, data is going to change, right? Okay, this is a split column symbol. Okay, here also it is there. Reduce rows are there, and manage columns, query. So there are many things are there updated, right? Okay, fine. Now right click and do one thing. So what you want? I want to go for a split column. Yeah, here also you can able to see by delimiter is possible, by number of characters, by positions, maybe lowercase to uppercase, uppercase to lowercase, digit to non-digit, non-digit to digit. There are many things are there. Select by positions or number of characters, select it. So I want to see once as per left as possible. From the left side, I want only one time. I want to detect first 3 characters. So here only India, already 3 is there. Here Bolivia, here lot of that. Whatever the big length based on the maximum length, based on the maximum length thing, we are going to split here. Okay. So in just click on OK. So India only 3 we have. So location 2. So only once we are doing. So once means only one time left side only 3 characters it will cut, remaining everything it will keep in second column location. Okay, location 1 and location 2. Now see, you want from right side, see once as per right as possible. So if you put 4 also, so right side 4 characters it will cut. So this 4 characters it will cut right side, including space also. And one more option is there, splitting. So repeatedly, so you want repeatedly every 5 characters, every 5 characters one partition. See this. So in IND only 3 is there, so okay, it will be like this only. So here 5 is there, and if it is not there, see spaces also it is going to count. So every 5 characters it is going to cut. Total how many partitions? 7, maybe 7 into 5, maybe the length I am calculating. Okay, now split column, duplicate column and index column. Index column maybe it is available, let me check, maybe it is available in, yeah, index column is there. See this, in the column from text, from number, from date and date. Okay, index column from number, see, so index is created 1 2 3 4 5 6 and all. So index is also very simple. And duplicate, so duplicate, you want to duplicate the column, so right click and duplicate the column, same copy, see location copy. So right click and you want to move left, right or something to beginning to end or something. To move to the beginning, see it is move to the beginning, and you can move to the right as possible. See location side by side you can able to see. If you don't want, you can delete it, reorder to this one. Create column, custom column. Okay, custom columns, add column is there. In the add column there is a custom column is there. See this, in custom column we can write column. So for example, you want a number, you want to pull, syntax 1 2 3. So this, that number is able to pull, right, same number. So if you double click here, you can able to see it. Or any text you want to pull, text. So text always you have to keep in double quotes. India, so this India everywhere it is, right? So these are the custom columns. And so maybe you have something like, let me show you one more example for custom columns. Let me show you first of all. So close and apply. Yeah, table name, okay, put it table 1. Okay, table 1 name is, it is processing. Close. Now select Excel file, maybe it would be better. In the Excel there is a simple data set, let me load that one. employee and department. Just click on transform data. Directly you can click on transform also, that is also possible. Okay, for example, do one thing, you can rename another one. You can take another one, another simple data set where we can see product table or something. So maybe in the product table we have simple information, right? Close it. Let me take data from there. Whatever the loaded tables we can able to see here, right? Yeah. Okay, here null values also is there, so we'll take off null values. I will show you how to take off null values. You can close, you just unselect null values. Okay, now see there is a quantity price, right? So if you multiply quantity into price, you will get the sales amount. Okay, so how it is achieved? By using a Power Query editor here. So columns, add column, so we can create the custom column. What is the custom column name? Sales amount. What is the formula? Quantity. So is it going to work or not here? Okay, quantity or select, delete, and you just select quantity into price, double click, that's it. Now click on OK. See, now we'll get it, right? So if you multiply quantity into price, see 10 into 100 how much? 1000. 20 into 200 how much? 4000, right? So sales amount again. So in this way we can able to create the custom column. This is one example, and custom column from examples, maybe let me check it is there or not. Custom columns, yeah, from examples, from all columns, yeah, select from all columns are going to highlight. For example, if you give one example, for example I want to give product name comma price, I will give. Product name, what is the product name? A. First row one, what is the price? 100. Okay, one example you give it, remaining all rows it is going to fill automatically. Unexpected error, why? So just click OK, it should be take. Yeah, product name comma, give it quantity, just click OK. Okay, so in Power BI it is going to work. So here also it is going to work. This option is there, just try yourself also. Okay, so if you are not able to do, so we'll take a look once again. No worries. Group by here also is there, like in Power BI how we are going to group by. So group by, you know, right? So maybe, so we'll aggregate the data, right? So how group by is going to work? So based on the product name, like that, right? So let me close and apply. Let me take one table, another table. I will show you in the table. Okay, close this. CSV file select. take last one. Yeah, connect it. Okay, just load the data. You can rename as table 3 or something. See, here null values are there, here blanks are there. So this scenario also we are going to cover here. Just unselect blank. See, blank values are taken. Okay, it is in decimal data type only. Okay, for example, it is a year, right? So rename as year. It's not a time. Okay, so I want to group by based on year. So select the column, right click, there is a group by. So group by, new column name, I want to give year wise total population. Total population means what you have to do, sum operation, sum, average, median, min, max, count rows, count distinct and all rows, right? So what you have to select, we have to select the sum operation for which column, total population. See, so now 250, 2050, 2050 like that, every row it is there, right? So you can able to see 2050 one value, 2051 like that, another value, like in that year what is the total population. Just click on OK. So any values are okay. So come back, there is some problem. Okay, let me take off. Where is the NA values and rows? Any errors are there? Remove errors. Removed errors. There is no errors. Okay, now try it. If it is removed, then no problem. Just try, we can rename later. Yeah, see this. Here it is coming as count, right? We can rename. Here we can change as total population. Just click OK. Now here it is going to change. So now it is total, right? You want to change as average, that is also fine. See, average. Now it is going to show, see, 2050 what is the value, 2051 what is the value. So based on the year we are going to do the group by. So you want to do year wise and location wise. You just select two columns, right click and group by. Two things we have taken, and you want year wise, location was average population. You want average total population. You want to add another one, or maximum population, two aggregations. So we have to use the maximum function to select. Just click on OK. Now two aggregations. Now location wise, year wise, both it is going to consider. So how many locations are there? So every location year will be there, right? Like that. Okay, average and maximum. So both you can able to see. So if you want to add aggregation, you can add the aggregation. Double click, and here you can you want to add, and you want to move down, you can move down. So like this, move up, move down. So order is going to change now. So this year, location, maximum, average, right? So in this way we can use the group by functionality. And anything else? Append. See, append is possible here also. Is there append? Where is the append? Yeah, here combine is there, here we are going to append. So when append is possible, there is a rules, right? 3 set of rules. What is the rules? Number of columns should be same, and number of order of the column should be same, and also data types also should be same, right? Now let's take a look another data type. Take that data set. Where is that? Yeah, or do one thing, we'll take small one. Small data types, easily we can understood the output. That's the reason text 1 and text to load it. Okay, you do one thing, right click and duplicate. Two tables we have. Table 1, table name as or you can change here also, put T1. Make it T2. Okay, now we have the same number of columns should be same table only, right? Duplicated. Now try to combine, append, same data type and everything is append queries as new. These two tables I am going to combine. Just click on OK. Now see, so ABC is there in first table also, second table also ABC, same thing, right? Same information, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just here rows are updated, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, same thing. So append also possible here, merge also possible here. So this in the combine, so merge queries as new. Just close it, take small data. I will show the example. M1 M2 you take it, these two tables you take it. Okay, so here what we have, so if you want to perform merge, what you require, so we should have the common column between the tables. Here 1 2 3 5 is there, in M1 1 2 3 4 is there. Okay, so now is possible. So where is this? Merge queries as new. I don't want to disturb original tables. Table 1 and M2 take it. So we have to mention which column basis we are going to do the joining. So inner join means it is going to select only matching records, 1 2 3 1 2 3, 4 is not matching, here 5 is there. We can expand. Okay, only matching things coming, right? And what is another join, left join, right? Left join or left outer join. See, whatever matching it is coming. Left table plus, try to match from right. And take M1, M2, select the columns. So what is the join you want? I want to go for right join. Just click it. See, right table as it is will come and try to match. Okay. So another joins also is there. You do practice. Okay. This is the advanced editor also is available. So if you want to do any changes, okay. So you have to check each and every option. Formula bar, query settings, advanced editor, query, dependencies, whatever you can able to see in the Power BI, everything you can able to see. Okay. So almost look and feel also same, right? There is no much difference. Okay. So these are the important things we have discussed. Okay. So thank you for watching my video, and in next video we are going to discuss about modeling part. Okay. So if anybody interested to learn SSAS in special training, so you can email or you can call to the same number. WhatsApp number also same thing. Okay. Thank you for once again.